guys, Justin here with J Hart Model Works coming to you with another shop card shout out. And today's shop card, I'm really sorry, James. I've got about 3 of these that I've been sitting on for weeks. They've been sitting here on my desk, and I know I need to do these, and they sat there, and I was working on the buddy build with Chris, and they just sat there, and the more I looked at them, the more I kind of felt a little overwhelmed. It's part of the ADD thing. You know, you kind of don't do them because you know you need to do them, but you just don't. It's a thing. So I'm late getting to these. I've had these for a while. I'm real sorry, but I'm getting to them right now. First one's coming to you from James over at Morris Custom Model Shop. Great card. Awesome build on the card. Awesome diorama of a shop here. James is one of my longtime subscribers. He's been following me for quite a while. Pretty much since I first started. I think James joined my channel when Jeff shouted me out when I first started. So definitely give him a shout out. He's got some great stuff on his channel, which will probably show up in that corner. Oh, I forget which channel. It's going to be up there somewhere. Great stuff. He's got some great builds. He does not only 1/24 scale, he's got some 1/32, I think, as well. Gorgeous yellow old classic Ferrari. I'm a sucker for old Ferraris. He's got some nice product reviews as well. Just great stuff, great channel, great modeler, great guy all around. So give James a check out. Again, it's Morris Custom Model Shop, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye.